Good morning, friends. Previously in revision of this chapter we completed MCQs. Now today we will solve some example that can be asked for 1, 2 or 3 marks. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Represent the following fractions on number line. Two fractions are given, 1 by 5 and 3 by 7, and how to represent it on a number line. So for that, draw a number line. Now 1 by 5 means divide one part into 5 equal parts. 5 is the denominator, it means one part is divided into 5 equal parts. So if we start from 0, 1, 2. So denominator 5 represents that this one part is divided into 5 parts. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So each part is represented as 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and this is 5 by 5, it means it is a 1. So 1 by 5 is here. 3 by 7. Denominator is 7, it means divide each part into 7 parts. So we start from 0, 1 and 2. Now divide each part into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 and this is 7 by 7. So 3 by 7 is here. Okay. Now instead of 1 by 5, if 6 by 5 is given, then you need to again extend this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after 5 by 5 it is 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. So this is what? 6 by 5. Here if it is 9 by 7, then after 7 by 7 it is 8 by 7, 9 by 7. So that will be here. Clear? So this way you can represent numbers, fraction on a number line. Now next, identify the proper and improper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator, and improper fraction means denominator is greater than numerator. Proper fraction means numerator is smaller than denominator, and improper means numerator is greater than denominator. So here 5 by 6, numerator is smaller, so that is proper. So we can write proper fraction. 5 by 6, 7 by 2. Here numerator is larger than denominator, so improper. That is 7 by 2. 1 by 2, so that is proper. 3 by 4, it is also proper. 11 by 5, improper, and 6 by 5 is improper. Why? Because here numerator is greater than denominator and here numerator is less than denominator. What fraction of this circle with x in them? Now you need to represent this as a fraction. How many circles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8, how many circles are with x? So 5 circles are with x, so we can write 5 by 8 as a fraction. From total 5 are circle with x, so it is 5 by 8. Now next one, write all natural numbers from 1 to 15. What fraction of them are prime number? This is very important question because this kind of question can be asked. So write 1 to 15 numbers and what fraction of them are a prime number. So let's write 1 to 15 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now total 15 numbers are there. Prime numbers. Prime numbers means in third chapter we learn what is a prime number. Prime number means if there is only 2 factor 1 and number itself. So here 1 is not a neither prime nor composite. 2 is the smallest prime. 3 is also prime. 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 11 is prime number. 13 is prime number. So from the total 15 numbers, how many numbers are prime? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as a fraction we can represent it as a 6 by 15. You can also convert them into simplest form. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So it is 2 by 5. You can write 6 by 15 or you can write 2 by 5. Clear? Now next, convert the following improper fraction to mixed fraction. In MCQ we already solved this kind of example. This is asked for 1 mark. So convert them into improper fraction. How can we convert this? Convert them to mixed fraction. Improper fraction is given. So divide 37 by 6. 6 6 are 36. The remainder is 1. So in clockwise way we can write 6 1 by 6. So that is answer. Now next, 13 by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. Now write in a clockwise. So it's 6 1 by. So as a mixed fraction it is written as 6 1 by 2, and as a mixed fraction this one is represented as 6 1 by 6. Now next one, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now mixed fraction is given and you need to convert it into improper. So for first one, 5 2 by 3. So how can we represent it? Multiply, and this one is n. So 5 multiply 3 plus 2 divide 3. Denominator remain same. So 5 3 is 15 plus 2 divide 3. So that is 17 by 3. For next one, 6 5 by 6. So this 6 multiply 6 and plus 5. So it is 6 multiply 6 plus 5 divide 6. Denominator remain same. So 6 6 are 36 plus 5 divide 6. So it is 41 by 6. Next one, write the following fraction in ascending order. So fractions are given 2 by 3, 2 by 7, 2 by 11, 2 by 5, 2 by 9. Now here you can see the numerator is same. We can write that numerator is same. So as I told you in a previous video that whenever numerator is same, then the larger denominator becomes smallest. When numerator is same, larger denominator becomes smallest fraction. So this is a larger denominator, so that will be smallest if we are writing in ascending order. Now next one is 2 by 9, 2 by 7, 2 by 5 and 2 by 3. If we are arranging them into ascending order, then 2 by 11 will be the smallest one, 2 by 3 will be the largest one. Now next, example 8. Write 3 proper and 3 improper fraction with denominator 7. The question is what? Write 3 proper and 3 improper with denominator 7. So let's write proper means denominator must be 7. Now proper fraction means numerator is smaller, so we can write 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Numerator must be less than 7. Improper fraction means numerator must be greater than denominator. So here we can write 8 by 7, 9 by 7, 11 by 7, or you can write 10 by 7. Now next, write 2 proper and 2 improper fraction with numerator 9. So numerator must be 9. It is proper fraction means denominator must be greater than 9, so it is 10. You can write 11. Improper fraction, here numerator must be 9. So to find improper, denominator must be smaller than numerator. So you can write 8 and 7. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now next, compare the following fractions. So here first 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. comparison. So LCM of 5 and 6, so that is 30. Now we make the denominator 30. 5 multiplies 6, 4 multiplies 6. To get 30 here we need to multiply 6 with 5. So same number we should multiply in a numerator. Now 24 by 30 and 25 by 30. Now compare these two. Denominator is same, so compare the numerator. So 25 by 30, 24 by 30 is less than 25 by 30. So that's why 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 6. Okay. Now next one, 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. Again you can see the denominator are different, numerator are also different, so we cannot compare directly. Take LCM of 4 and 5 for a comparison. You can take LCM like this. So LCM is 20. Now make the denominator as a LCM. So here, which number we should multiply to get 20 here? 5. So same number we should multiply in the numerator. And here 5 is multiplied with 4, so same number we should multiply in a numerator. Now it is 15 by 20 and 8 by 20. So now which one is greater? 15 by 20 is greater. So we can write 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 5. Next one, add 7 by 12, 5 by 16 and 9 by 24. How can we add this 7 by 12 plus 5 by 16 plus 9 by 24? We cannot add fraction directly if the denominator are different. So first take the LCM of denominator. So we can take LCM 12, 16 and 24. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 12 are 24. 2 3 are 2 4 are 2. So LCM is 2 2 are 4 2 are 8 2 are 16 3 are 48. Now make denominator as LCM. So which number we should multiply with 12 to get 48? 4. So 7 is also multiplied with 4. 16 multiplied with 3. So 5 is also multiplied with 3. 24 is multiplied with 2. So 9 is also multiplied with. Now we have a denominator 48. 48. Numerator is 28, 15 and 8. Now add the numerator. So 28 and 15. 61 by 40. So that will be your answer. You can convert this into mixed fraction. Divide 61 by 40. So you will get the answer. Now next, find the sum of 1 2 by 3 and 3 2 by 5. So here we need to add mixed fraction 1 2 by 3 3 2 by 3. Now convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. Now take LCM of 3 and 5, 15. So here 3 needs to multiply with 5 and 5 needs to multiply with 3 to get 15 as a denominator. Same number we should multiply in the numerator. So here we can write 25 by 15 plus 51 by 15. So here we get 76 by. You can convert them into mixed fraction. So we get 5 1 by 15. Now next, subtract 2 by 4 from 4 1 by 8. So again we can write from this 4 1 by 8, we need to subtract 2 3 by 4. Convert them into improper fraction. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33 by 8 minus 2 4s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. LCM of 8 and 4, that is 8. So here this number is multiplied with 2 in a numerator and denominator. 33 by 8 minus 4 is multiplied with 2 to get denominator 8. 11 is also multiplied with 2. 33 by 8 minus 22 by 8. So we get 11 by 8. Now in the next fraction we get 1 3 by 8. So that will be your answer. Clear? If mixed fraction is given, you can convert them into improper, and then if denominator are different, take LCM to make denominator same, and then you can add or subtract the numerator. Next, insert greater than or less than to make each of the following true. How we can compare? First is 6 by 7, 5 by 7. Denominator are same, so you can directly compare the numerator. Which one is greater? 6 is greater, so we can write greater than 7. 3 by 7, 3 by 8. Now you can see the numerator is same. If numerator is same, then smaller denominator become greater. So here 7 is smaller, so 3 by 7 will be greater. 10 by 21, 10 by 12. Again numerator is same. So smaller denominator become greater. So 12, that is smaller. So less than 7. In which we need to take the LCM? Comparison, addition and subtraction. In a fraction, if there is an example of comparison, example of addition, example of subtraction, and denominator are not same, at that time you need to take LCM to make denominator same, and after that you can add, subtract and compare the numerator. Now next question, find the difference between greatest and the smallest fraction. So here question is for 4 fractions are given. You need to find which one is greatest, which one is smallest, and after that you need to perform the subtraction of that greatest and smallest fraction. So first of all you need to find the comparison, means which one is greatest and which one is smallest. Means it is a comparison. So for comparison you need to make denominator same. So let's first compare them. 3 by 5 is written as 3 multiplied 5 plus 3. Here multiplication. We are converting that into improper fraction. So that is 18 by 5. 2 4 by 7 is written as 2 multiplied 7 plus 4 divided 7. So that is 18 by 7. So our fractions are 18 by 5, 18 by 7, 19 by 6, 18 by 8. Now we cannot compare this because denominator are different. So let's take the LCM of 5, 7, 6 and 8. So we start with 2 because 8 and 6 is there. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 1. Now next number is 3. Now next is 5. And last 7. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70. LCM is 840. Now make the denominator 840. So for the first one, how we can make? 5 is multiplied with 168 to get 840. So same 168 in the numerator. If we multiply this, you will get 3 So we get 2160, 840. Now next, 19 by 6. So 6 needs to multiply with 140. 19 is also multiplied with 140. If you multiply this, you will get 2660 divided 840. And last, 18 by 8. So 8 is multiplied with 105. 18 is also multiplied with 105. So you will get 1890 divided 840. Now all the fractions are with denominator 840. So compare the numerator. Which one is the largest? This is the largest one. And which is the smallest? This is the smallest one. So 18 by 8 and 18 by 5 are two fractions with which is the largest and which is the smallest. So we can write largest 18 by 5 and smallest 18 by 8. So here we need to perform the subtraction of these two. 18 by 5 minus 18 by 8. LCM of 8 and 5 is 40. So here 5 needs to multiply with 8. Same 18 is multiplied with 8. 18 is multiplied with 5. Now we get 144 divided 40 minus 90 by 40. So we will get 4, 54 divided 40. So if we perform the simplest form, it is 27 by 20. Okay? So that is your answer. So this kind of question can be asked for 2 or 3 marks. Now next, Simran painted 2 by 3 of a wall in a room, and her brother Rahul helped and painted 1/5 of the room wall space. How much did they paint together? So Simran painted 2 by 3 part and Rahul painted 1/5. So how much did they paint together? So together they paint 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. LCM is 15. So here 3 is multiplied with 5 and 5 is multiplied with 3. So we get 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So it is 13 by 15. How much they painted? 13 by 15. So that is the total part of wall painted. Now what part of whole space is left unpainted? What part of whole space is unpainted? Total part. Whole part is considered as a 1. Whole wall is 1, and from that this much is painted. So unpainted wall can be written as from 1. 13 by 15 is painted. Now find the answer. So 1 is 15 by 15 minus 13 by 15. 1 can be written as 15 by 15. So 2 by 15 part of the wall is remain unpainted. Clear? Now next one. Find 3/4 of 12. 3/4 of 12 is 3/4 multiplied. So here 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. If this kind of question is asked for 1 mark, then you can solve that. 3 by 4 of means multiplication 12. So 4 3s are 12, now 3 3s are 9. Represent 3 2 by 5 or 1 by 9. Now you can see this is a mixed fraction. So you can represent it in a 2 way. You can convert 3 2 by 5 in can represent them on number line, or you can represent it like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, and now here denominator is what? 5. Means each part is divided into 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 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 So 3, that is whole number. So this one is 3. Now this part is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. This is 5. So here 2 by 5 is here. So 3, 2 by 5 can be represented like this. Or you can consider this one: 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5 is a 15 plus 2, 17 by 5. If you convert them, you can represent also like this. Divide them into 5 equal parts. Now 3, 2 by 5 is what? 17 by 5. 3 5 is 15 plus 2. So here we can write 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. This is 10 by 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So this is what? 17 by 5, or you can say 3 to 1 5. You can represent like this, or you can represent like this. Both is the same. Clear?